welcome to my new vlog. And today we have a special guest with us, Mimi.
Assalamu alaikum, Ayat. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm well, thank you, Ayat.
So Mimi, what are we gonna talk about today?
Well, whatever you like to talk, I'll be talking to you.
Let's do an introduction because this is the
Okay.
first video together.
Okay.
Let's do an introduction.
Okay, fine.
What is your name?
My name is Abida Imran.
And my name's Ayat Rasul.
Okay.
We're gonna asking one question one by one, and we both are gonna answer it.
Okay, the same question will be there for
Yes.
both of us? Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Now the second question is, what is our favorite color?
Well, I have a lot of favorite colors, not one. My favorite color is black, my favorite color is red, I like white as well.
I like yellow
Okay,
and lavender.
okay,
I've been in the mood of blue as well
okay.
nowadays.
Okay, blue is quite a nice color actually.
Yeah, navy blue or sky blue.
Yes.
Both of them.
All the shades are really nice.
Yes. And do you like any different categories of a color?
I like lilac. That's a nice shade.
I like nude shades.
Nude shades. Pastels are also nice.
I like nude and bright shades.
Oh,
Okay,
that's
let's move
really
on to the
nice.
next question. So the
Okay.
next question is for you.
Okay, so what is your favorite fruit?
I have a lot of favorite foods. I love all the fruits. I'm a fruit lover. I eat fruit all the time, 24/7.
Mhm.
So my most favorite ones are banana,
Okay,
watermelon, and oranges.
okay. So that's really nice that you like fruits, because most of the children do not like eating fruits. They like fast food. They go for fast food all the time. So it's really nice that you like fruits. My favorite fruit is mango and orange.
Mine also. Like mango is included in every person's list.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your favorite cuisine? And some people might not know what is a cuisine, so would you like to explain?
I think everyone knows that what is a cuisine, like what is your favorite dish. This is what we are going to talk about. So my favorite dish is I like biryani, and I like barbecue, and not all the things in barbecue. Basically, I like boti, tikka boti, and I like
Chicken.
seekh kebab. Yeah, not chicken actually, but I like something which is included in barbecue only. So seekh kebab are my favorite. Even chapal kebabs, I like them very well. Or then only these things I think in barbecue.
I actually like masar dal chawal.
Okay.
Yes, and if you're Pakistani or then a lot of people love masar dal chawal, and
Yes.
I'm included in them.
Even
And
I like them well.
I like chicken a lot,
Mhm.
and chicken fried rice with Manchurian
Okay.
and fruits.
Fruits. Again fruits. So you are a real
Fruit lover.
Yeah, fruit lover. Okay. So what's next?
So the next is, what is your dream country?
Well, I would not say I have any country which I dream about that I'll be living over there. Actually, I like my home country, but since I have been living in UAE, that was my favorite place, and there are a lot of things which I like about that country. So since I have been there only, so I like only that country.
My dream country is South Korea because South Korea has very good medical education.
Okay.
Yeah, and I really hope that once I grow up, I'm gonna go there because I want to be a doctor.
Oh, really, really? That's an
Yeah.
interesting information that you have been searching about this country, and then you have a target as well that if you grow up and you like to go for medical, for a professional thing, you'll be going there and you'll be
And
studying over there.
if I will be able to go for college, that's for university. If I would like to go for college, I would go to Harvard. That's actually in America, but that's a huge dream because you can't go there. It's
Okay,
very
but you can
hard.
always set a huge task, and then you can get it also. If you just keep on struggling, you can reach your target.
And actually, we all of us used to live in Dubai. They used to live with us in the same house.
Yeah.
We like it was just 2 steps away. So we really love that country and we're hoping to visit it there in the summer vacation, right?
Okay, fine.
So the next is about something you really like.
Okay, so first I would be asking Ayat. Ayat, you would be asking me. So what do you like the best about me?
I think so that's the last question.
Okay.
No, this question.
So it was the second. Okay, I have missed one question. Okay. So what is your favorite subject?
Actually, Mimi was a teacher. And in the next video, we're gonna be telling about why we call her Mimi. So
Okay,
yes, that's
fine.
also an interesting video. So watch it as well. And my favorite subject, I would say English. Right now in 5th grade, I really like English, and I don't.
Any
know.
other subject?
No.
So, since I have also done my master's in English literature, so it has always been my favorite subject. I was never into sciences. I was never into maths. I didn't like it. I could hardly pass both the exams. English has always been my favorite subject.
She was actually a teacher of
Yeah.
English,
Yeah.
and she used to help me with my homework as well, which was very nice.
Yeah. So the last question of today's video is, what do you like the best about me, Ayat?
And the worst. So
Yeah,
we're going to
okay.
be telling
Actually,
it.
I was not in favor of this question, that we should be asking what is the worst thing that you have to tell about me.
But let's fill the lead.
But Ayat was insisting that you have to tell me what's worst and what's best, both the things. So
Yes.
I said okay, we'll go for it.
So first, let's tell the best one. Okay.
Okay.
So you first.
So I'm going to tell the best thing about Ayat, and that is that she's very caring and she's very loving. She would always be coming to me and she'd be asking, Mimi, do you need anything? Mimi, can I help you with something? Like if I'm in the kitchen, she'll be coming over there and she'll be asking. And if I'm not feeling well, she will be the first person to come to me and ask if you are okay. If you have gone to the doctor, you have taken medicine. So this is the best thing about Ayat, which I would like to tell here.
I really like helping people. My uncle, his husband, he
Her
did. Yes. We need to give information.
So yeah, okay, fine.
I used to like he gets hurt a lot, and he doesn't even feel any pain.
Mm.
So whenever he gets hurt, I have a medical box at home, and I rush and help like bandage his foot or wherever he's hurt. And the same thing for Mimi as well.
Yeah,
And I'm glad.
I agree.
I'm
I
glad
agree.
that you're happy that I do that.
Yeah, she's a caring daughter actually.
I thought that you hate that I come again and again because I know you.
No, actually, this is the best thing about you, because if somebody cares for someone, only then she'll be coming and asking again and again, right?
My siblings, they are so annoying. They say that I annoy them a lot and just keep going here and there again and again.
Well, this
And-
is their perception, but everyone has a different perspective. We all think differently, so this is what my perspective
I'm glad
is.
that I'm glad that I hear that.
Okay.
And my favorite thing about Mimi is like she is very friendly. Whenever we're like right now we were discussing
Yeah.
discussing what we will do for the video, and she was so friendly, and just we started laughing and talking so friendly. She just blends in with the area, whatever the environment is, and I really like that about her.
Thank you very much. So I just
Now it's
you
the-
have one more chance to say no to this question. If I
No.
should tell something worst.
Yeah, I think so. I won't be mad.
Okay, so well, I will not say there is something worst about you, because children are really gentle, they are nice, they are soft hearted, as you are also. So, but what I would say, being elder, is that there is always room for improvement. We can always improve upon something. So what I thought was that I would tell you that you can always improve upon your studies. You can bring even greater grades, so we can be proud of you, and even your parents would be really greatly proud of you if you bring more better results, and you bring greater grades, and like you bring positions will be really great. Like greatly happy because you remember your grandfather, your Dadabu, he was always fond of that my
always
children should be bringing better grades, better results.
He always dreamed that I was a doctor, and we came here to visit them, and he said that she's not going anywhere, she's going to be a doctor. I'm going to get her into an Quran education center actually.
Okay, so we
No,
have a
it's the time for the worst
so
one.
the right last thing which Ayat is going to tell. Okay, let's ask her.
The worst thing I think about Mimi is that she doesn't take care of herself. She always gets sick. She actually has diabetes.
Okay.
And the last time we checked her diabetes, it was the highest of my father and my uncle.
Okay, so I just thought I would not be able to tell anything like this, but again, this is what I was telling about Ayat, that she's very caring and she's always thinking about health issues and things. So thank you, Ayat, you were thinking about me like that, and thank you very much that we had this video today, and I really enjoyed being with you. I hope all the viewers are also going to enjoy this video today, and we'll be meeting in the next video also.
And Mimi also has a channel of her own. What is it called?
Okay, it is Talasheha. You can always search for it, and you'll be finding my videos over there as well.
She has a room. Right behind this is a room, and it's literally set up for it. She has a green screen. She has everything, and her videos are excellent. She tells more about Islam and stuff. So make sure to go and subscribe to her channel also.
Thank you, Ayat.
And that's it for our today's video. If you like it, don't to like, share, subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Allah Hafiz.